So I decided to have a go at wild swimming. I am completely new to this and I do really want to get into it a bit more. Took a drive down to Ystradfellte waterfalls. I wouldn't normally go on my own, but I thought I'll pluck up the courage and I'll just go for it, really. I chose the worst weather possible. It absolutely peed it down. And I thought, well, I'm wet anyway, let's give it a go. And so it was a struggle trying to get my wetsuit on because I was already soaking wet. I jumped in and then all of a sudden I had all these people decided to gather around me and I didn't feel really comfortable with everyone watching me, and I decided to move a bit further down where it was a bit quieter. I did have a couple ask me some questions, but because I'm new to this I didn't really have much to say to them. So I did it for about 10 minutes. I didn't want to stay in too longer because really for safety reasons I didn't want to stick around. It was really therapeutic, I loved it, and it was actually really refreshing swimming while it was pissing it down with rain. I didn't actually notice the cold too much as I was wrapped up in my wetsuit anyway. I had my gloves on and I had my boots on. I had to wander around and I went behind the waterfalls. So the waterfall I went to was Sgwd Isaf Clun-Gwyn. I'm really sorry if I can't pronounce that, that's really embarrassing. Seeing as I am Welsh and I can't pronounce it. But yeah, nice day. Hopefully I'd like to go down when it's a bit nicer and try to explore some new places and try different places, and yeah.